We call our module on one-on-ones world-class one-on-ones. And we feel that in most instances, people are not having world-class one-on-ones. They're simply putting the tick mark in the box to say, I did that. When we say world-class one-on-ones, three things. One, it needs to be strategic and tactical, not just tactical. Second thing, it's very important that it is person-focused and results-focused, not just result-focused. We need to pay attention to the person. How happy are they? How challenged are they? How stressed are they? How engaged are they? All organizations want great engagement scores from their people, yet they're not even asking the people on a regular basis how engaged they are. And the third thing for world-class one-on-ones is that it's very important that it's a series of conversations. It's not the same conversation repeated month after month after month. We want it to be a continuous program of an ongoing dialogue. We show managers how to get ready in 5 minutes or less and how to take notes on one page that when consistently kept that way, they'll have an ongoing dialogue. How can you tell if you're really having world-class one-on-ones? Well, if you miss a one-on-one with someone, like I did a couple of weeks ago, the person returned from vacation today and they sent me an email and they said, hey, we missed our one-on-one, can we reschedule for this week? That's how you know you're having world-class one-on-ones.